Top most common interview questions with answers you must prepare to crack construction industry job. Hello and welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. I am Swati. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you will be the first to know when I upload something new, and stay connected with me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for latest updates. So let's get started. The first question, how do you ensure compliance with building codes and regulations on site? To comply with building codes, conduct regular site inspections to verify that construction activities align with approved plans and meet relevant codes and regulations. Also collaborate closely with local authorities to address any compliance issues promptly. Next question, how do you prioritize safety on construction sites, especially in challenging environments? Safety is paramount on any construction site. Prioritize it by conducting regular safety briefings, implementing comprehensive safety protocols, and ensuring all workers are properly trained and equipped with the necessary personal protective equipment (PPE). Additionally, actively encourage a culture of safety awareness among the entire project team. Next, can you describe your approach to managing a construction project schedule and budget? I believe in meticulous planning and frequent monitoring to keep projects on track. I develop detailed schedules and budgets, regularly review progress against milestones, and identify any deviations early on to implement corrective measures promptly. Effective communication and collaboration with all stakeholders are essential to maintaining cost and schedule control. How do you handle conflicts or disagreements with contractors or team members on site? Conflict resolution is a critical skill in construction. I approach conflicts calmly and objectively, seeking to understand all perspectives involved. I prioritize open communication and collaborative problem solving to find mutually acceptable solutions that keep the project moving forward smoothly. What measures do you take to ensure quality assurance during construction? Quality assurance begins with rigorous planning and design reviews to identify potential issues upfront. During construction, I implement stringent quality control measures, conduct regular inspections, and utilize testing and monitoring techniques to verify compliance with specifications and standards. How do you familiarize yourself with site-specific conditions and challenges before starting a project? Before starting a project, I conduct thorough site visits to assess local conditions firsthand. This includes studying topographic maps, soil reports, and environmental assessments. I also consult with local authorities and stakeholders to gain insights into any regulatory requirements or potential environmental concerns. By gathering this information early on, I can anticipate challenges and incorporate appropriate mitigation measures into the project plan. Next question, what is the purpose of a footing in construction? Footings distribute the structural loads of a building to the soil, providing stability and preventing settlement. What is the typical thickness of a concrete slab for residential construction? The typical thickness of a concrete slab for residential construction ranges from 4 inches to 6 inches, depending on the load requirements and soil conditions. What does the term plinth level refers to? The building construction. Plinth level is the level of the finished ground floor above the foundation level, marking the starting point for construction above ground. Basically, the level that stays between the original ground level and the finished floor level of the building, where ground floor or the base of the building is constructed. What is the function of a lintel in construction? Lintels support the load of the structure above openings such as doors and windows, distributing it to the surrounding walls. What are the primary components of a reinforced concrete beam? The primary components of a reinforced concrete beam are concrete and reinforcement bars or rebars, which provide tensile strength to resist bending and shear forces. What is the role of a tie beam in building construction? Tie beams connect the stabilize two or more columns or walls, improving the overall structural stability of the building. What does the term clear cover refers to in concrete construction? Clear cover is the distance between the surface of the concrete and the nearest reinforcement bar, providing protection against corrosion and fire. What is the function of a parapet wall on a building? Parapet walls act as barriers at the edge of a roof or balcony to prevent people from falling and to provide aesthetic finishing. What is the typical height of a guardrail for fall protection on a construction site? The typical height of a guardrail for fall protection on a construction site is 42 inches as per Occupational Safety and Health Administration OSHA regulations. And the last question, what is the purpose of a weep hole in masonry construction? Weep holes allow moisture to drain out of the wall cavity, preventing water accumulation and potential damage to the structure. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel, sharing the video and dropping a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.